In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up workflows in Close CRM, a powerful tool that can help streamline your processes and make managing your contacts and leads more efficient. Whether you're new to Close CRM or looking to maximize its capabilities, setting up workflows can significantly enhance your productivity. Let's begin by creating a new workflow. Start off by navigating over to the left-hand sidebar, where you'll find the Workflows option. Click on that, and then look for the button that says Plus New Workflow. This is where you'll set the foundation for your process. Once you've clicked that, you'll need to give your workflow a name, something descriptive that clearly outlines its purpose. This helps keep everything organized, especially if you plan to create multiple workflows. Next, you'll select a trigger event, which essentially determines how your workflow will start. There are two options to choose from. If you prefer starting the workflow on demand, go for the manual trigger. This allows you to initiate the workflow manually on a specific lead or contact whenever you see fit. Alternatively, if you want things to run automatically, opt for an automated trigger. This option is particularly helpful for busy teams, as it allows you to set criteria that kick off the workflow automatically. For instance, you could choose to start the workflow whenever a lead status changes to qualified, or when certain updates are made to an opportunity. Choosing the right trigger is crucial, as it will define how and when your workflow begins. Once you've settled on your trigger, it's time to define the individual steps of the workflow. Click the Add Step button to start adding specific actions. You have a variety of options here. Perhaps you want the workflow to send emails or SMS messages to keep your contacts informed. Or maybe you need to assign new tasks to team members to ensure nothing falls through the cracks. You can also update lead information or create new opportunities directly through the workflow. It's important to configure each step with the specific details that pertain to your tasks, such as the message content of an email or the description of a task. This is where your workflow comes to life and really starts to reflect your business needs and goals. With all your steps configured, the next move is to activate the workflow. Once you're satisfied with everything, simply click Activate to get the workflow up and running. Now, your workflow will operate based on the triggers and steps you've defined. To ensure everything is performing as expected, you can monitor its performance through the Overview tab. This area provides valuable metrics on the workflow's execution, so you can track its effectiveness and make adjustments if necessary. I hope this guide helps you confidently set up workflows in Close CRM. By taking these steps, you'll be able to automate routine tasks and keep your focus on what really matters: growing your business and nurturing relationships.